Gray card, doing a gray card. Hopefully it's good. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are on our way to Lens Pro to Go to return this SMALLHD Ultra. I used it during the Build Expo. The cool thing about it, besides 3,000 nits, is it uses the EL zone system. So right now I have no ND filter. I'm not sure if you can see this. A little bit of glare. So it's in red, which is 4 stops over. With the FX6, I'm going to add some variable ND filter. We are at 1/5. You can see, hopefully, on the screen that it's green, which means half stop over. Where the grass is in front, it's yellow. So that's a half stop over. If I use this gray card in front with the light, it shows red, so which means over. So I'm going to increase the neutral density filter. And you can see, and the light right in front of the camera, it is yellow, gray, and green, which is spot on. I used the GENTREE 22 amp 390 battery during the show, which gave me all day power. The GENTREE battery is powering the SMALLHD, the sound devices, MixPre 3, and also the FX6. I have the tilter backplate on, which is version 2, because I always like to use the Sony battery. So this is adding supplemental power through the 19.5 So the tilter plate is providing power to the Sony FX6, the MixPre 3, and the SMALLHD Ultra. This is a battery made in South Korea from a company called GENTREE. This particular battery has 390 with 22 amps. So I had all day power. Not once did I have to change this battery. During the show, this was my A rig. I did not use this tripod on the A rig. I used it on the FX6. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show the YC Onion tripod and cinema head. My favorite audio for Sony is the Sony UWP Dual, which I have it going onto the receiver, which I'm using a Sanken Cos11D. We have 3 audios. I'm also using Tentacle Sync E, also with the new Rode Wireless Pro. The 12 to 24G was great during the trade show. I have to thank Johnny for letting me borrow the FX6, which I absolutely love. I hope to have one someday. The monitor and the MixPre 3 was mounted with NK something, LNK, which is a Canadian gentleman that does focus pulling. So that was cool. Over here, we have the 24mm attached to the NiSi C5 matte box with neutral density 1 through 5 stops. Edge link provides all-day power. The Tentacle Sync E with the new cable, which arrived today. I'll show you that. when I'm doing a video with the FX6. I have the Rode Wireless Go Pro, Rode Wireless Pro as the timecode generator, outputting timecode to the Tentacle Sync E. So all the timecodes, we have timecodes on the MixPre 3, FX6, FX30, and the MixPre 3. So this is just a behind the scenes of a 2-camera live shoot, I guess. If I was like the cranky cameraman, we'd be out and about. I found this spot on the way to Lens Pro to Go, and I'm just going to do a short 2-camera video. But the YC Onion is amazing. I used it the entire show. The GENTREE 22 amp 390, I believe, watt, was perfect. Tilta FX6 mount was perfect because I can still use the handle. I had no issues. FX6 was great. And I recorded probably about 12 to 15 videos. And the Sennheiser HD25s are lightweight. I love those. So just going to backtrack.